Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a recruitment update from Capgemini. It's actually a pooled campus drive for 2021 batch, that is for engineering and MCA freshers of 2021. Okay, so if you are interested, please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please to subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So this is actually a pooled campus drive for 2021 batch of engineering graduates and MCA, and it is for freshers. Okay, so let us have a look on the detailed eligibility criteria. So the eligibility criteria is should be graduating in 2021 or you should have graduated in 2021. Minimum 60% and above in diploma and graduation. And if you are from MCA background, then also MCA and also ME MTech candidates are eligible. No percentage criteria for SSC and HSC scores. So you don't have to worry about your SSC score and HSC score. You just have to take care that you should be having minimum 60% and above in your diploma and graduation. So that is the requirement. Qualification is you should be having MCA or BTech, and it is open for all the branches of BTech, whether you are from civil background or automobile or mechanical or civil, all the branches are eligible here. And also if you are having ME MTech, you can try for this. Also, another important detail they have mentioned here is if you are an ME MTech student, you should be from IT background or information science or computer science. Other candidates from, that is if you are ME MTech candidate of 2021 year of pass out, then you are not eligible. Only these information technology, information science and computer science candidates can apply. You should be having excellent English written and spoken communication skills. You should be open to relocate to the Capgemini location. So you will be given a location and you should be open to relocate to the given location. And also they have given other details, should be open to signing the service level bond. Candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages, means 1 year of maximum gap is allowed. Okay, other details they have given here. So the main thing you have to consider is you should be a 2021 year of pass out candidate, and it is open to the BTech candidates of all the branches and MCA candidates. And if you are from ME MTech batch pass out, you should be from IT related or computer science related backgrounds. Okay, so that is the essential eligibility criteria here. Now they have given a detailed structure of the assessment process also. There will be step 1, which is technical assessment pseudocode. Step 2 will be MCQ based communication test. Step 3 is game based aptitude test. Step 4 is behavioral competency profiling. And step 5 is technical and HR round. This is the selection process adopted by Capgemini for all the recruitments happening nowadays. Okay, so if you are interested in working with Capgemini, so this is the pattern which you have to follow, which you have to understand in order to crack the selection process. Okay, so this is the assessment process. Now let us have a look on the last date for applying. Here the last date for applying is September 1st. So you can apply from August 23rd, which means that it has already started, to September 1st you can apply. Okay, so that is the last date for applying. So there is enough time for applying, but don't wait till that. Just apply for it as soon as possible. Now talking about the selection process, it will be starting from second week of September. Okay, so till the first week or till the 1st of September you can apply. After the second week, the assessments or the selection process will be starting. So if you are getting shortlisted for the selection process, or if you are getting shortlisted for the recruitment process, you will get the mail probably after the first week. Okay, so that is going to be the case. Only if you are getting shortlisted, you will be getting the mail. Okay, otherwise sometime you will be getting a rejection mail. Some candidates won't get the rejection mail also. Okay, so anyway, if you are interested, just apply before September 1st. So we have seen about the eligibility criteria. We have seen about the assessment process also. Here they have not actually mentioned what is the work location. It can be all around India. It can be in any location of Capgemini all around India. So if you are willing to relocate, to the given locations, you can definitely try for this. Okay. So here you'll be getting a salary about 30,000 per month. So that's all about the salary details. We have seen about the eligibility criteria, selection process, and salary detail. So the link I'll be posting in description. You can directly apply through the link which I'll be posting there. So please do check out the link. Please to apply for it as soon as possible. So if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.